TrendPlay. Maximize your revenue.
Welcome to TrendPlay, your ultimate gateway to content creation and monetization. In this detailed tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know, starting from how to easily sign up for the platform, seamlessly link your YouTube channel to your account, and activate your revenue streams so you can start maximizing your earnings today. We are now presenting the modern and simplified design of the TrendPlay app to ensure the best user experience. Allow us to guide you through a comprehensive demonstration of the registration process and how to seamlessly link your channel. To begin, click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the navigation bar, and then click on Create Account to start registering your new account. On this page, you will easily fill in your new account details. Display name. Enter your display name. Username. Type in your unique username, such as Trendsetter. Email. Provide your email address. Password. Set your secure password. Terms agreement. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Final step. Click on the Create Account button to successfully register your account. Terms and conditions. You can easily read the terms of service and privacy policy and then check the box to agree to them. We are fully committed to protecting your privacy. TrendPlay relies entirely on YouTube's official embedding technology, meaning we do not store or host any videos on our servers. Furthermore, we never sell your personal information, and you can easily edit your data, delete your account, or revoke its access at any time to ensure complete safety and privacy. After successfully creating your account, your profile screen will appear like this. The next essential step is to link your YouTube channel using the personal email associated with your YouTube account. Now let's proceed by clicking on the Connect with Google button. After clicking the Connect button, the Google sign-in window will appear. Here, we will select the email address associated with your YouTube channel and then click the Continue button to proceed. This official Google window will appear to ensure security and transparently grant the required permissions to the TrendPlay app. All you need to do is verify the account and click the Continue button to proceed. This screen will appear after successfully completing the connection, allowing you to review all details and settings with ease. Now, let's proceed by clicking on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the navigation bar. Your profile page will appear like this once the channel is connected. By simply clicking the Sync Now button, all your YouTube videos will be synchronized and instantly displayed here. And this is how your profile page will appear in this professional layout once the synchronization is complete, making your channel and content fully ready on the platform. In the monetization page, we offer an amazing advantage for early creators, Early Bird. If you are among the first 1,000 users to sign up and link your channel, you can apply for monetization without any requirements or conditions. However, after the first 1,000 users, standard thresholds will apply, which require reaching 500 subscribers on your TrendPlay channel and having 100 videos on your linked YouTube channel. And with that, we've walked through all the steps for signing up, connecting your channel, and exploring monetization features with complete ease. We hope you enjoy your experience on TrendPlay, where you can effortlessly discover all sections and features. Thanks for watching, and see you in upcoming tutorials.